on a little trip. We're getting food.
I'm like a crazy person.
So you know, every trip starts off great with a supermarket run, right? Have to. We didn't get the patty or the gas, but we're definitely doing the supermarket run right now. So be right back. Guys, we're getting wine. Wine.
My favorite.
Is your favorite? Caramel roots.
What are we cooking?
There's this wine that I really like.
White?
I love white wine. I'm not gonna lie. Apathic. This is nice. It's not bad.
Yeah, I like apathic white. So put this back or get both.
Is it sweet? Is it a sweet red or is it a bitter red?
It's not sweet, but it's delicious. It's not sweet.
Guys, we don't do.
It's delicious. She's a white wine drinker. She's not winning.
This supermarket nice though. Can't lie.
So you know. Oh, we need butter for the rice.
It kinda nice. Get the small one, the tiny one.
We need a protein.
Do you want to do minced or do you want to do chicken breast, like chicken thigh?
Well, we have.
What we should get, guys? Alright, so we're done shopping. Where's Chris? Sorry.
Where is Christopher?
Not the bang, guys. The bill came to 19,096. Like, I'm not lying to you. Guys, this is Ashley's bona fide driver, Chris. In Badina, guys. In Bad.
Yes.
He's funny though. I can say that Chris is funny.
Yes, if you need him, just ask for 55.
Yeah. Ask for 55.
You know, I think I tell you and say I need a good wife.
Well, you know, any foreign girls.
And he's tall, guys. He's tall.
Tall, dark, and handsome. Yeah.
And Anika didn't know what is for. That was Ashley.
How about y'all?
We have very little light left to catch.
So guys, we just drove past Rose Hall.
We never know see them up them here.
Right?
At the Gaystic part of the. I always hear see them have properties. But I didn't know it was like.
My suitcase, is it heavy?
It's heavy as hell.
Oops, sorry. Oops, sorry.
All of these 2 are yours?
Guys, it's the unpacking. I don't think you've ever seen these in girl trips. But we take our luggage out ourselves because we're independent. But then we have someone helping us. Chris is helping. Oh man, I have this. You can grab the groceries. Thank you.
This is your bag.
That's only one.
And they have suitcases and bags and handbags. Come, take your time.
And laptop bags. Wow, what a view. Honey, I'm home. What's for dinner, honey?
Pasta.
Pasta. Chicken Alfredo. Wow.
I'm gonna sit the one and I said free wine. That's even one to go to fridge. I said free wine. Oh, and then it realized that it's actually our wine. We brought this wine. Oh, I got you, girl. You have to knock it once because it kind of I don't do that stuff. Oh, that stuff. I do that stuff.
What short people have to call it?
I'm trying to add those captions in.
How's the footstool, ma'am?
Perfect. Just go to the one we shot. So
True. But I feel like I'm the tallest out of all three of us, so I feel great. No, I'm taller than you.
Okay, you can tell that Ashley. What I'm going to do do, I'm gonna share you on
Guys, make we see.
I'm gonna show you on this word document that has the real here. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you're gonna see a section that says for today and a section that says extras. Those are the reels that we did for that I recorded the 2 times on today, guys. And it tells you what reels are about. So when you see the copy in the line, you can put 2 and 2 together. Because I know the text kind of here.
Guys, when you see me in person, you have to look up in my face because I'm that tall.
She's short.
Actually,
What are we talking about?
How tall are you?
I am 5'9".
In attitude, 5'9". So who's taller, me or you? I definitely think I'm tall.
It's not the same age. No. You know what this tastes like? Oh my god, I can't drink this. You know what this is?
What?
It tastes like detox.
Mine tastes nice. It's terrible. Ours tastes nice.
No, I know it tastes good because you're drinking that one. But this tastes like my detox tea. I can't drink any more of this.
Oh, look at me in the
Because if I drink any more of this, guys, I'm going to be...
Who's taller?
Ashley, stand up straight.
Yeah, stand up straight. Come on,
Ashley's like an inch.
I'm like 5'3", 5'4".
You guys are the same height.
I'm 5'4".
Ashley here make her look. Ashley here make her look taller.
Yeah,
I am not tall.
Yeah, talk to me. Yeah.
Because I'm gonna show.
Oh, I didn't even turn on the stove.
Is there a salt in
Me
the
are responsible to wash up
There's a salt in up there?
after she finish.
Okay. So I'm gonna look, I'll be like, never seen it before.
What the fuck? Everything she used?
I've never seen that before. You never read
And she used it quite a lot. Everybody's information is down below. Make sure you check out our YouTubes, our Instagram, and our TikTok.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Jesus. Hold on. Exactly, better catch you by tomorrow. The apple put your foot stuff and stuff, and then don't put this on Instagram. Like Jamaica. Hey! Alright, now the swagger. Oh, yes! Not the Last Supper.
I'm not disturbing y'all bitches.
So, oh, I drink that. Take a shot. No, you figure it out. She was trying to talk out the shot. I was not. Listen, them yellow act like them know me now, but them don't know me at all. Feel like they can't call me. Hey, Ashley, what a drink there, gal.
The lake and the other one.
Anyways, I need a new season, period.
So good.
Pick it for breakfast. Hey guys, this is my room. So before I head to bed, I mess up my perfect bedspreading, I'm gonna show you what my room is looking like. So it's very beige, beautiful, and also simple. And simple in a sense where it comes together. It's very timeless. Hi guys. And fortunately for me, and unfortunately, but I'll get to the unfortunately part. Fortunately for me, I have a fitness machine right in my room, so I don't have to go walking. I can literally get up and go on the elliptical right here and then, and it's seated up elliptical, so that's really nice. But I also have a nice couch. Unfortunately for me, I don't have a bathroom in this room, but it's really huge, so they could have had a bathroom if they wanted to, but the room itself is humongous. It's by far one of the largest rooms in the villas. Right off the kitchen, right off the foyer, right off the dining room, so you're right at the center of everything. So it's actually perfect. So yeah, peace. Okay, so we've been taking pictures for at least 4 hours now, but I'm going to show you what the property is looking like to the best of my abilities. So you've already seen the drone shots. This is when you pull up. This is your grand entrance. It's really nice. We didn't get to see this yesterday, but when you walk in, this is what it's looking like. Tell me this isn't really beautiful. The entrance is nice. We've taken a lot of pictures and videos here, guys. But then you walk in and then you can go to your right. There's 2 bedrooms to your right, 3 bathrooms, and then to your left there's 1 bedroom and the kitchen, washroom, and that also leads out. But everywhere, honestly, everywhere leads outside. It's very nice, open, indoor outdoor concept. There's Ashley, but we're in the living room. It's really nice in here. I'm gonna show you the right side of the property first, guys. Amazing lighting. There's Anika. We've been making ourselves quite comfortable here, but let me show you guys. Now we're gonna actually head back. I'm gonna show you the 2 bedrooms. So I'm gonna go into this bedroom later, but here is the bathroom. It's kind of like a powder room, and this is also my bathroom because the bedroom I'm in doesn't have a bathroom. But this bedroom here is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, excluding the bathroom. The bathroom is really nice. When I saw the bathroom, this bathroom gave me hotel vibes. It's really nice. And I love a separated toilet. They have a specific name for it, but I cannot remember it at this moment. But it's really nice. And they had the AC ready and waiting for us. So we love that. We love that. So let's jump into, this was Anika's room. Let's jump into Ash's room real quick. It's a grand room, I'm telling you that from now. It's really pretty. This was Ashley's room. This is my favorite part of the room by far. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. And then bathroom. Also very nice bathroom. Hotel vibes. Definitely hotel vibes. Sorry I'm moving quick. I really don't want this video to be too long, guys. But yeah. Alright, so we just left Ashley's room, back into the family room, the TV room. onto the foyer. We're gonna head to our left. So when we get to the left, to my right is the dining room. Guys, we're trying our best. And then this leads to outside, the kitchen, where Anika just ran from us, the washroom and everything. And let's just go out to the pool right now and just end off this little clip. The dining room. Yeah. All right, let me just run out to the pool. Ashley. This house tour is very big. See, this is the glass that I was telling you about. And then the pool, but you've seen drone shots of outside already, so you're all set on that. Alrighty guys, everybody was waiting on me. I feel bad, but I'm fully changed. The gardener is here. Content pictures?
Yes.
That's how we like to roll and we can go.
Okay, just want to see if you want loud, you want loud.
Alright guys, we have to check out soon, so I'm gonna pack up, get ready, and I will see you. Bye! Guys, we're leaving. We're leaving on our way. Well, we're not on our way to our next villa yet. We have to check into the next villa at around 4. So, yeah.
No, I'm at my car. Look, it's Annie's house.
Wow, guys.
I don't know to use chopsticks.
Ashley is such a chef. Really? It's so easy.
Girl, these are frozen. They come out of the freezer section and we
They don't
cook them.
gotta know that. They ain't had to know that.
I doubt it. In the freezer section, girl. God damn. I think I put too much oyster sauce in this because the sauce is too good. So good. You tried the
It's really
sauce?
good.
Not yet.
Wow.
Yeah, I put too much oyster in there. Can't tell by the thickness?
sorry.
I did a little beat a look. Okay, yeah, so we're heading out. We're actually gonna head to the villa. We're at Ashley's friend's house. Didn't tell you that earlier, but I'm telling you now. But we're heading to the villa now. We're heading to the bar on a strip. Then we're if you didn't hear, Ashley said that. But I hope you like it. We're gonna have fun. We're going to Mobay, so I'm definitely gonna let you know what the places are in Mobay that we're heading to. So just stay tuned for that. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the vibes, and see you in the next clip. So I'll be able to properly talk to you guys. All the location links will be in the description box, so check the links and let me know if you've been to any of these restaurants, any of these villas, anywhere. Let me know. I'm gonna vlog the walking parts because I've never walked in Mobay in my life. It's either a pass through or I drive go to the airport.
I will walk. I can walk in Fairview's. Oh well, yeah, that's Fairview's.
So what is this? This is what you call it, Bottom Road?
Yeah, but it's also tourist district, so you'll
be alright.
Yeah, vigilant, but you know, you're comfortable.
Guys, you know me not afraid of nothing because me walk downtown all the time. Coronation Market with my camera and all. Nobody now bother me. And me run down, man. Sure. I really like this swimsuit, but not for the price that they're selling it. Like they said, it's a tourist area. Let me stop though. Oops. Can you imagine? Let me not say it. No, we definitely look like tourists. Supermarket. Let me know if this is interesting to you guys. I don't know much people. Maybe obviously some of you might be from Mobay, but I don't know much people where come from Mobay. But even living in Mobay, guys. So I've never seen this in any vlog. So it's always interesting to see something where we're always a drive past. One thing though, the price. Oh, this tree is pretty. One thing though, the price them must up. Price them must up. Wow. I like how they build the sidewalk around the tree.
Yeah, same trees.
They build the sidewalk around the tree. Oh, that place is pretty. What is that place over there? So, no, right here, right here. Right here?
I think it's Harley Davidson.
Wow. Well, do the jumpy again for my video, please. Do it again for my video, please. Do the 1 foot.
Baby, I'm loving your style. You know that's a very beautiful girl.
Hey. Thank you. Oh, guys, you can barely even see him. I'm so tall.
Climb up on him, man. Climb up on him. You know how to go tall. Climb up on him, man.
Where we're going? 27? No soliciting? Alright, let me turn off the camera, guys. I'll be right back. Guys, we're in the lounge. Alright, so we're just checking out the place just to see what it looks like for later. But now we're gonna walk to another place, which is right here. We're going to see Coral Cliff. We're going to check it out, see what it looks like, and then later we're going to come back when the place take up a little bit more, guys. So let's cross. Thank you. Last time I saw you, we were in the taxi coming to the second Airbnb, and it was very, very late, but we're here and it's really beautiful, very nice vibes, mixed design throughout the house, but it's giving IKEA. It's giving the girl Architectural Digest. Really nice. But Anika's on the stove chefing up the plantain. I'll be doing the eggs. Ashley is vlogging. Make sure you check out Ashley's channel. And yeah, other than that, stay tuned. We're leaving Mobay at 2. At 2, so won't really have that much to do today. But I hope to enjoy the earlier clips, the walking through the town clips, the drone shots. Let me know what is your favorite part of the video. What do you like to see so I can recreate it next time? And yeah, Also, I have a video coming. I should do another try on haul. I don't know, or I'll just post the pictures and the outfit details on my Instagram. Your girl is giving back. She's giving back. All right, bye. Anika, Ashley, and Bicana. We're gonna open up a restaurant. Call it Jamaican breakfast because it's a nice mix. It's a very nice mix. Eggs nice, orange juice, plantain. The bad dog nice, plantain well nice. Very, very good.
You can't leave with any less than 10.
Guys, we're leaving. We're all packed up. We're fling my phones in our bag. I think our cab is here. I did some content to show you what the apartment looks like on my TikToks. If you want to see a better showcasing, some more detail of everything, I'm just gonna give you a quick overview. Alright, let me just show you guys real quick. This is actually what our room looked like. Again, this is very slept in. We were staying here, so it's very realistic on what it's looking like. They have a loft area, so 2 individuals can sleep down here, and then another person can sleep up top. And then this was Ashley's room, and yeah, very beautiful. I love the decor in this Airbnb. I'm definitely leaving this Airbnb in the description box. It's absolutely beautiful. Like, the detail is perfect, and they have a washer dryer, and this is the bathroom. Perfect. And it's in Mobay. It's really, really cute. The backyard is very spacey, and the front is very beautiful as well. Let me show you what the front is looking like.
Don't you know what she's talking about?
This is the front. It's very tropical, very private. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Alright, guys, here we are. We just got to Knutsford Express. This is my first time ever taking Knutsford. Knutsford is like a Greyhound. If you're familiar with Greyhound, that's very much the vibe that I always got off from Knutsford. So I'm gonna let you know if it is similar. We're going back. So yeah.
Okay. What else got to Spanish Town? You have an idea what time? It's gonna be a full bus.
So how you been?
Yeah.
3-8. Like I said earlier, this is my first time on a Knutsford bus. It is interesting. It's not bad, and I've never been on a double-decker bus. Well, it kind of looks like a double-decker, but it's not. The stairs come up. Yeah, the Greyhound buses aren't like this. But it's nice, it's comfortable, it's cool. They have TVs, they have a cup holder. There's no Wi-Fi on the bus, but other than that, it's pretty comfortable. It's clean and it smells nice. Because you know, sometimes they have some buses that smell bad. You know what I mean? We're heading to New Kingston. They packed on the bags, and the New Kingston people came on first. And I believe they're gonna send the Angels people on, the Ochi people, and I'm not sure where else they stop, but I'll let you know. It's a decent bus. I'll let you know how the drive goes, and yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Break in Draxall, and I'm checking out the Starbucks. This Starbucks is probably the biggest location I think Jamaica has, and it's also really pretty. I love the pink. I'm out of breath because I had to speed walk here. We have 10 minutes. I gave myself a shorter time. Don't think it's gonna focus, but I have 5 minutes remaining, so hopefully they can make my drink really quick and I can speed walk back. The drama now, the bus fully stopped, so we haven't got into any other station, unfortunately. We're just waiting now to hear what the driver said. This is Anika's first hand experience. She's closer to the front. So what happened? What? What happened? We're having bus issues. The bus just kicking a gear and kick back. I don't know what happened, but yeah, we've stopped now and we're waiting to be picked up by another one. So yeah, it's gonna be a while. It's gonna be a while. Because either they go through the toll. No, they can't go through the toll. They have to come off
Bicana was like, why could it happen to the other bus? What happened to me?
No, but why us? Feel bad if anybody on this side take plane at Kingston. I feel bad for them. Lady and her baby. I do. Guys, there's our bus. Alright guys, so the other bus is here now, and they chose 18 people. Well, 18 people run towards the bus, and the first 18 people that made it got on. But he said 18. He said the seats are full. The patrol vehicle for the highway is also here. And then I heard the other bus was down here, so probably another 6 minutes before the other bus reach, unfortunately for us, but I'll keep you updated with what's going on. Our bus just always have a breakdown. No, always.
I've never been on a broken nose.
Never been on a broken nose?
I've passed them. I'm like, oh, I'm glad that's not me. But no.
Alright guys, we're back on the road now, and this bus is actually really nice as well, so we are good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We finally reached Kingston. Got all of our bags. We ended up having 2 buses bringing the load of us, so we reached and we're gonna head home now, and that's all that matters. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting video. And if you really like the video, make sure you share it to somebody that you think will like it as well. Bye.